Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're going to look at an interactive whiteboard game called Where is Godzilla? Let's check it out. So I believe I came across this game in the Weibo forum by a guy called Christian Calais, and I'll include a link to his website below in the description box. But basically, I use this as a directions and places game. On the first screen, you have all the instructions of what you need to do, and they've got a couple of different modes. So first off, we have Godzilla mode. In here, you use the direction keys on the keyboard to move Godzilla around the map. Your aim is to go and destroy the building that's in the text box at the above, and you have to get the students to direct Godzilla to do that. During this time, the military will try and kill Godzilla, and you've got until he gets killed to earn points by destroying a variety of buildings. Then there is single mode, which is when you drive a small yellow car around trying to park and enter and do your general shopping while all the time being chased by Godzilla. You've got a couple of times to do this before Godzilla finally just devours you completely. So let's take a look at this game in action in a class.
Team 4, ready. You are Godzilla. Team 1, 2, 3, you have to be quiet and James. Team 4, where is shot? Left, right, down, up, go.
Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.